Welcome everyone to our wondrous campsite. We're on another Kova expedition adventure. We're out for adventure. You guys want to come take a look? So we came with the car and a rooftop tent and a trailer. Both of these from cross4wheeldrive.fi or Suomen maastoautotarvike. Set up our camp as an L shape. Get a little bit of a courtyard for ourselves, and then sort of get to enter into the awning area. But let's go inside. Quick comment is we keep our clothes in the trunk of the car to keep them dry, mostly so they don't get wet in the humid air. And then production office is also in the car, sort of taking over the back seats and the front seats. We've got a charging station, and then when it gets really cold, I sit in the back seat with the car on and work on the laptop. The residences, we'll start with the ARB Touring rooftop tent. Sleeps 2 people, I would say very comfortably. That folds out in a matter of a few minutes. I think the most laborious task was getting these in, but other than that, it's no task at all. Warm, dry, comfortable. So that right there, solid steel. It's an old Finnish military trailer, and the guys at Cross 4-Wheel Drive built it out. They added this top onto it, and then Bullface Traveler rooftop tent, Rhino Rack back wing compact awning. Tent has a solar panel on it, charges the battery in the front. Maybe we could actually look in here. The battery compartment and electronics bay. We have a solar power charger and a power management unit that charges the battery. From the battery, we can drop power to either the radio that has both radio, Bluetooth, and an auxiliary cable attachment. And then we have 2 USB charging ports, as well as your basic 12-volt supply, plus some lighting, so you can light up your campsite when it's dark. As I mentioned, we set up the camp sort of into an L shape. We have this inner courtyard to hang out, fire, dining area, and then we have the ARB chairs and table that come with the trailer when you rent it out. And the trailer comes with supplies like a shovel and some other nice amenities. There's a front section. Actually, maybe I should go through how you can open up the tailgate. And when the rooftop tent is down, you can also open this yellow compartment, pivots up and gets stuff in and out. There's a front compartment that holds the furniture. And then this rear compartment, we have the ARB drawer system. This is set up as our galley, pantry. We have food supplies in there. This has been amazingly convenient. I personally really love it. These are really cool. You have the lower drawer, as well as this top pull-out drawer. It comes out all the way. So you actually get 2 useful surfaces. We have a cutting board right here. We have our dishes, water bottles, things like that stored in there. This has been our kitchen. Propane tank, ring burner with a griddle pan on top. The trailer itself will come with cooking amenities. This is the very, very first time that anyone's taken it out on a proper trip. We're so fortunate to be the guinea pigs and get to test it out. Take a look into the tent. Opens out. You have plentiful space. Sleeps one very, very comfortably. Comes with mosquito nets and doors. Close that up so we don't get any unwanted visitors during the night. Again, I think very quick to set up. I would say a bit more time consuming to set this up than the ARB. I personally prefer the ARB, but again, very quick to set up. Then we have our fridge right here. This was in the trunk of the car, but we're using the solar power off of the trailer to run it. So nothing special, nothing nice, but it keeps our food cold. I mean, a few beers, got some meat, dairy products, cheese, milk, that sort of thing. I think that's pretty much a full tour.
Yeah, I would say so.
What can we say? This has been an absolute dream. Our first time from the very concept, from the very beginning that we started Kova expedition and these sort of trips. This is what we were aiming for. And now that we're here, I think, like Sami actually said it, like, this is it. This is all you really need. Like, you can sleep 4, the car seats 4. You can carry a buttload of gear in the trailer. You have a very nice setup, hang out, go anywhere. And this really is a go anywhere type of rig. I feel like now I'm yammering, so we'll cut it here. Me and the guys, so Sami and Jaakko, are gonna head to the sauna after a hard day panning gold. I think it's more than well deserved. Maybe grab a beer with that. That was our camp tour. We really hope that you check Cross 4-Wheel Drive out. Those guys are amazing. ARB, Bullface, Rhino Rack. Awesome. I think that's more than enough.